Fatty Liver Low Carb Cookbook. 35 plus curated and tasty low-carb recipes to manage fatty liver. Introduction. Fatty liver is a condition that currently affects almost a third of the U.S. population. This is mainly due to excessive alcohol consumption, unhealthy food choices, and sedentary lifestyles. Left unchecked, fatty liver can cause damage to the liver and lead to serious medical conditions such as liver fibrosis or scarring and cirrhosis, which can be fatal. As of this writing, there are no FDA-approved medications for the direct treatment of fatty liver. Fortunately, and if diagnosed early, this condition is easily reversible by making changes in the patient's diet and lifestyle. Various studies have shown that a low-carb diet can help reverse fatty liver disease, or at least alleviate much of its symptoms. This cookbook aims to provide a source of inspiration as to how one can get started cooking healthy, yet tasty low-carb meals that can help combat fatty liver disease. A brief primer on the fatty liver diet. One of the most effective approaches to fatty liver is through losing excess body fat. Health experts agree that 70% of weight loss is due to diet. Although there are no FDA-approved drugs for the fatty liver yet, doctors agree that losing around 10% of the person's body weight is a good start, especially to patients who are obese. NAFLD has been found most common for patients who live a sedentary lifestyle and those who consume mainly highly processed foods. Basic components of the fatty liver diet. A diet plan for people who have fatty liver should include the following. Lots of vegetables and fruits. High-fiber foods like whole grains and legumes. Reduced consumption of salt, sugar, refined carbohydrates, trans fat, and saturated fat. No alcohol. Basically, the patient should undergo a reduced calorie, low-fat diet to help in losing the excess weight. Foods to include in a fatty liver diet plan. Greens. In a study, broccoli has been found to be effective in helping prevent fat building in the livers of mice. Consuming more green vegetables like Brussels sprouts, spinach, and kale might also help with weight loss. There are a lot of vegetarian recipes that are full of flavor but low in calories. Coffee. Research has shown that those with fatty liver who also drink coffee are less susceptible to liver damage than those who don't. It's thought that the caffeine in this beverage reduces the levels of abnormal liver enzymes for those people that have high risks for liver diseases. Fish, especially the fatty ones such as
Sample complete. Ready to continue?